Let d of x equals 4-point sine, parentheses, 2.51x minus 2, close it, and b of x equal d of x, which is that, plus 2.5. Which of the following is not a 0 of b of x on 0 pi? All right, well, b of x is just d of x added to 2.5, so let's change that. We care about b of x. It would be nice if I had the pen. B of x is now going to be 4.5 sine 2.51x minus 2 in parentheses plus 2.5. Okay, so all I did was rewrite d of x, add the 2.5. I just added the midline there. So what I need is I need to zero in on 0 to pi, and I need to graph this on a graphing calculator and find out which one of these is not a 0, which means 3 of these will be. So let's go to our calculator and see what happens. All right, so we've got 4.5, we've got sine, we've got parentheses, 2.51x minus 2, so 2.51x minus 2, close it, but now I'm adding 2.5. So I care about when things happen between 0 and pi, so why don't I just run to my window and make the x min 0 and the x max pi, okay? Since I'm lifting this up 2.5 and my amplitude is 4.5, this will go up to 6, so we'll put you at 7. This is not necessary, by the way. This is me just adding stuff. And let's go down to -5. That way we get a little bit clearer or zoom in version of what we're dealing with. See what I did? It wasn't necessary to change the y min, but changing the x min and max made life better. So 0 number uno, 0 numero 2, and 0 option D is right there. I made a joke. Came from like Home Alone or something like that. I need to find all 3 of these zeros. Now, you might be able to look at these and say, I know my answer already, it's B. Great. But let's just make sure we know what we're doing. If I want to find exactly what the values are for 0, you hit second, calc, and go to 0. All right. Zeros are where your line or curve crosses the x-axis. So to find the first 0, I go to the left of it for the left bound, hit enter. Go to the right of it for the right bound, hit enter. This guy tells me that my 0 exists in between the 2 little arrows, which is correct. Always hit enter for guess, and we get 0.562, which means A is a 0, which means A, we're going to cross it out. Now to find the second one over here, which is going to be 2 point something, we hit second calc, we hit 0 again, we go all the way over here just to the left of where it crosses the x-axis, hit enter. Let's go to the right of where it crosses the x-axis, hit enter. For guess, hit enter. And now C is no longer an option that I want because 2.283 is a 0 and I want the one that is not a 0. So let's find this 3 point whatever it is. Second calc 0. Let's go just to the left of it, just to the right of it, in the little space that I have, hit enter, 3.065. So it looks like the guy that wasn't my guy was 2. Again, could I have noticed that immediately without having to do the 3-0 things that I just did? Yep, but I wanted to show you that just in case you run into a problem where you need to find zeros and you're just going to have to do the process anyway. So let's go back and circle C. No, circle B. Oh, wait, no, circle B. Ugh. Let's go back and circle our answer. If only I knew how to speak. The answer is B. And again, we could have noticed that without having to do the zeros thing, but it was good for you. It was good for me, that's for sure. Speaking, though, I'm just not good at. It's too late in the evening for me. And too late in the test because this is problem 39, which means we have one more multiple choice to go. So hope this helps.